Welcome to all of you in exercise 24A. So let us start question number 1. Question 1 is for each given angle, write name and the vertex, the names of arms and the name of angle. So you have to write vertex, you have to write name of arms, and you have to write name of angles. Three things you have to do. You have to write in each of the part. So what is the vertex in question number 1? The vertex is O. Yesterday I have told you what is vertex. Vertex is the common point where two lines meet. For example, this is line AB and this is line BC and they are meeting at the point B. So B is the vertex. So in the same way, in this question, O is the vertex. Arms means the two lines. The two lines from which this angle is being formed. So BO, OA. These are the two arms and angle. First, write the sign of angle, then BOA. BOA. Okay. Next, in this second part, the vertex is Q and the arms are PQ and QR. And what is the angle? The angle is angle PQR. Clear? So let us do now the third part. Okay, third part you will do. And this was the fourth part which I have told you yesterday. So first of all, we have to write, let's say, B angle. So B angle, how to write the B angle? So you will write angle BOA. Okay, BO, this is O, the common point, and A. Then how are you going to write angle C? So you will write angle BOC. Okay, this is angle C. Now how to write angle X? This is angle X, the red one. So how are you going to write the angle X? So you will write angle COD. Angle X is equal to angle COD. Now how to write the angle Y? Angle Y. So you will write angle DOE. And the last one, how to write angle A? Angle A. This is angle A. So it is AOE. Okay, angle AOE. So in this way you will write. Okay, now question number 2 says name the following points. Name the points. Name the points. Number 1, in the interior of the angle PQR. So interior means inside. So what are the all points which are inside the angle? So we have to write the points which are inside the angle. Okay, so the points which is inside the angle are point B, comma A, comma X. Okay, these 3 points, B, A, and X. These are interior of the angle. In second part, we have to write in exterior of the angle. So you will write angle, point M, point D, comma N, comma S, comma T, comma R. Okay, R is not the point. It is the point which is lying on the line. So don't write R. Okay, so M, D, N, S, T. These are the points. Fine. Question 3. Question 3 says in the given figure, find out the number of angles formed within the arms OA and OE. So OA and OE, how many angles are being formed here? Can you count the angles? So how to count the angle? First method. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Now this is angle 5, this is angle 6, this is angle 7, and this is angle 8 from here to here, and this is angle 9 and 9, and this is angle 10. Okay, so how many angles are there? 10. And there is one more method by which you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what you have to do? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So your answer is 10. So this method is quite simple. You just mention the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and add them. Okay, for example, this question, now the next question is not in your book. I am giving you this question. For example, this is the angle, sorry, this is the figure, and you have to tell how many total number of angles are there in this figure. Okay, so how many angles are there? Can you tell me now? In this figure, how many angles are there? No, not 3 angles, Jatin. 3 angle is the wrong answer. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So total 15 angles are there. Okay, total 15 angles are there. So this is a very simple method by which you can do these kind of questions, and you will get never get the wrong answer. This is a very, very simple trick. Question number 4, add. Part 1, 29 degree, 16 minute. This one dash is called minute. 16 minute. 23 double dash is called second. Okay, so 29 degrees, 16 minutes, 23 seconds. Good morning, Zan, you are late. And you have to add it with 8 degrees, 27 minutes, and 12 seconds. So now add both of them in column method. First I have written these numbers in column method, then I'm going to add them. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. So it is 45 second. And 6 plus 7, 13, 1 carry. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. 43 minute and 37 degrees. So this is the answer. 37 degrees, 43 minutes, 45 answer. One thing, if you are having a 2-digit number here, so आप यहाँ से यहाँ carry नहीं दे सकते. यहाँ का यहीं पे रखना है, यहाँ इतने का यहीं पे रखना है. आप इसका carry उधर नहीं दोगे. Fine. For example, the next question, second, in which you have to add 9 degrees, 45 minute, 56 second, and 37 degrees, 8 minute, 15 seconds. Now add. So it is 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry. And 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 71 second. And 53 minutes. Okay. And 82 degrees. But this is not the final answer. Whenever this number or this number is larger than 60, listen very carefully, Talha. Okay, whenever this number and this number is more than 60, जब भी minute या second वाला number more than 60 होगा, सो आपको उसमें से 60 माइनस कर देना है. ओके, सो 71 माइनस 60 इज व्हाट? माइनस करना है 11. सो यू विल राइट 11 सेकेंड और यहाँ पे 1 ऐड कर देता है. 51 में 1 ऐड कर दो, क्योंकि इधर से 60 सेकेंड निकल के 1 मिनट बनेगा और इधर ऐड होगा 54 मिनट 82 degrees. This is the final answer. I hope it is clear. So what I have told you कि whenever you get the minute number or the second number more than 60, तो आप उसमें से 60 माइनस करके नेक्स्ट वाले में 1 ऐड करोगे. Okay, so now let us do question 3. Now do question 3 and tell me the answer. Let's see कि सबसे पहले किसका आंसर आता है. Part 3 of question number 4. So question 3 is 56 degree 38 minute and 27 degree 42 minutes 30 seconds. So 30 second right as it is. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. 80 minute. And 13 1 carry. 5 plus 2 7 or plus 1 8. 83 degrees. But this number is more than 60. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 30 ऐसे ही लिखेंगे as it is and 80 minus 60. 80 में से 60 minus कर देंगे 20. So 20 minute and 83 में 1 ऐड कर देंगे 84. This will be the answer. So always remember when the minute or second number is more than 60, तो reduce 60, subtract 60 and add 1 in the next. Next, 47 degree and you have to add 61 degrees, 17 minute and 4 second. So it will be 4 second, 17 minute and 8, 108 degrees. This is the answer. Okay. Next, question 5. In the given figure, question 1, 3 pairs of adjacent angle. So we have to write 3 pairs of adjacent angle now. Adjacent angle means next to each other. Next to each other. Adjacent का meaning क्या होता है? ध्यान से सुन लो. बेटा एडजेसेंट का मीनिंग होता है नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर. तो कौन से 3 एंगल्स नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर है? देखो, अगर हम इस एंगल की बात करें तो इसके नेक्स्ट वाला एंगल कौन सा है? इसके नेक्स्ट वाला एंगल ये है और इस एंगल के नेक्स्ट वाला कौन सा है? इस एंगल के नेक्स्ट वाला ये है. सो ये 3 एंगल नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर है, हम कह सकते हैं. सो वी विल राइट एंगल, दिस इज COB, कॉमा एंगल BOA एंड एंगल AOD. ये तीनों एडजेसेंट हैं. सारा 2 लेटर से एंगल को डिनोट नहीं करते, 3 लेटर से करते हैं. आपने 2 लेटर से BO AO DO लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, 3 लेटर से करेंगे. 4 एंगल्स हैं, ठीक है लवीजा, 4 एंगल्स है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि हमें 3 पेयर्स ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल बताने हैं. 3 पेयर्स. अच्छा ओके, सो अभी क्या है, इसमें 3 पेयर्स ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल बताने हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है कि तो 1 पेयर हो गया COB एंड BOA, ये तो 1 पेयर हो गया ना. अब सेकेंड पेयर जब आप लिखोगे तो उसमें लिखोगे BOA, एंगल BOA, और इसके एडजेसेंट कौन सा है? इसके एडजेसेंट ये वाला है AOD, तो आप लिखोगे एंगल AOD. ठीक है. अब इसी तरीके से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जब आप करोगे तो नेक्स्ट पेयर लिखोगे, ये 2 पेयर्स हो गए, और एक थर्ड पेयर में आप लिखोगे एंगल AOD और इसके एडजेसेंट ये वाला है, ठीक है, DOC, जिसका नाम है एंगल DOC. तो बेटा एक पेयर तो ये हुआ, दिस इज द सेकेंड पेयर एंड दिस इज द थर्ड पेयर, तो ये 3 पेयर्स हो गए। फाइन, मींस मैं फिर से आपको बता रहा हूं अगर समझ में नहीं आया है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन, आपको 3 पेयर्स ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल लिखने हैं। तो इस एंगल का एडजेसेंट ये होगा, और इस एंगल का एडजेसेंट ये होगा, और इस एंगल का एडजेसेंट ये होगा। तो 3 पेयर्स आप इस तरीके से लिखोगे। बट यू हैव टू, you must know how to write an angle. Some students are writing angle with 2 letters, so let me tell them that angles are denoted by 3 letters, okay? And also you have to use the sign of angle. This is very, very important. Don't scribble. Now question 2, two acute angles. Acute angles means acute angles means less than 90 degree. The angles which are less than 90 degrees. So what are the 2 acute angles? So first acute angle is this. As you can see, this is the acute angle, and this is also an acute angle. So these are 2 acute angles. Write their name. First is the red one is BOA. Red वाला angle BOA है, angle BOA, and green वाला AOD. Okay, angle AOD. So these are the 2 acute angles. Now 2 obtuse angle we have to write. So obtuse angle is what? More than 90 and less than 180, which is between, we can say which is between 90 and 180, that is obtuse. तो देखो एक तो obtuse angle ये है येलो से मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, and the other one is denoted by this golden color. So ये है एक obtuse angle. तो येलो वाला कौन सा है? BOC, this is the obtuse angle, and golden wala COD. COD. These are the 2 obtuse angles. Now fourth, 2 reflex angles. Reflex angle. So what is reflex angle? Reflex angle क्या है? Who will tell? Reflex angle is the angle which is more than 180. So where is the reflex angle here? आप देख सकते हो ये पूरा एक reflex angle है अगर इसकी बात करें, ठीक है, तो ये reflex angle है, और दूसरा reflex angle आप ये देख सकते हो यहां से यहां तक. Okay, so first wala I will write angle BOD, but you have to write reflex angle BOD, comma, second है reflex angle COD. So these are the 2 reflex angles. Okay. Question 6. In each of the given figure, PQR is a straight line if, in the given figure, PQR is a straight line if angle SQR is 75 degree, find PQS. The question is saying PQR is a straight line, angle SQR. Where is SQR? This is S, this is Q, this is R. So this angle is 75 degrees. Find PQS. So you have to find this angle. So as we know that, question 1, okay. So as we know, PQR is a straight line. So angle PQR जो होगा वो 180 होगा, क्योंकि स्ट्रेट लाइन जो होती है वो 180 डिग्रीज की होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, तो ये पूरा जो एंगल होगा दैट इज 180 डिग्री. अब इतना कट कर दिया है तो ये 75 है, तो ये कैसे निकालोगे 180 में से 75 माइनस करके. तो एंगल PQS इज इक्वल टू एंगल PQR माइनस एंगल SQR. यानी आपने क्या किया, PQR इस पूरे एंगल में SQR सिर्फ रेड वाला माइनस करना है. तो what you have to do, PQR is 80 minus SQR is 75. So angle PQS is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 105 degrees. And this is the answer of the first part. Fine. So now let us do the second part of this question. So the second part is saying PQS is 110. So PQS is now, this is PQS. And this is 110 degrees. So find RQS. So this is RQS and we have to find this. We have to find the red angle, RQS. Again, the same concept. We'll write, we know that PQR is a straight line. So angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now PQR is 180 degrees. So in order to find angle RQS, we have to subtract from PQR angle PQS. आपने क्या किया, PQR यानी इस पूरे एंगल में माइनस कर दिया PQS वाले एंगल को. Okay, so now let us do this. So PQR is 180 degree, PQS is 110. So what will be the your answer? 70 degrees. So angle RQS is equal to 70 degrees. And this is the required answer. Okay. Question number 7. In the given figure, AOC is a straight line. If angle AOB is equal to 50 degree, find angle AOE. Sorry, angle AOE is 90 degree and COD is 25 degree. Find the measures of angle BOC, angle EOD, obtuse angle BOD, reflex angle BOD, reflex angle COE. So first of all, indicate all the angles which are given. First, AOB is given. Where is AOB? This is A, this is O, this is B. So this is given and it is 50 degrees. Listen very carefully. Okay, now next AOE is 90 degree. Where is AOE? This is AOE and this is 90 degree. As you can see, this is 90 degree and the next COD is 25 degrees. So COD, this angle. Okay, so this is 25 degree. So we have to first find angle BOC. So where is BOC? Where is angle BOC? Wait. Okay, which angle? Angle BOC. तो आप देखिए angle BOC. Where is angle BOC? This is B, this is O, this is C. So it means we have to find this angle. This angle, okay, the blue angle. So how to find this angle? So first of all, you will see that AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. तो आप कहोगे कि एंगल AOC is equal to 180 degrees. ये पूरा एंगल AOC 180 डिग्रीज होगा, बट उसमें उस एंगल को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. एक AOB, एंगल AOB is equal to, which is equal to 50 degree. So if you want to find angle BOC, so it will be 180 minus 50, and it will be 130. Okay, so angle BOC is equal to 130. This is the answer of the first part. It is equal to 130 degrees. Clear? Now next, angle EOD we have to find. Angle EOD. Where is EOD? This is E, this is O, this is D. So how to find this angle? As you know, this is 90 degree. So angle COE is also a 90 degree. Angle COE is also a 90 degree angle. So if angle COE is 90 degree, देखो ये पूरा 180 है. AOC ये लाइन है आपकी A, this is O, this is C. तो ऊपर 180 डिग्री. जब ऊपर 180 है तो नीचे भी 180 होगा. अब ये एक लाइन गई है, यहां से यहां तक 90 है, तो यहां से यहां तक भी 90 होगा. अब ये 90 डिग्री है. फाइन. So this is 90 degree, but this angle is 25. So if this is 25, तो ये आप 90 में से 25 करके फाइंड करोगे. I hope it is clear. Now COE is 90 degree and angle COD is 25 degree. So if you want to find angles EOD, so it will be equal to 90 minus 25. So it is 65 degrees. Okay, 65 degree. So this is the answer of the second part. Now next, obtuse angle BOD. So where is obtuse angle BOD? This is B, this is O, this is D. So BOD कैसे find करोगे? Look at this, third part. So angle BOD आप कैसे find करोगे? BOD find करने के लिए देखो ये जो ब्लू एंगल है एंड द रेड एंगल विच इज 25 डिग्री, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो. तो ब्लू एंगल इज 130 एंड रेड एंगल इज 25, तो इनको ऐड करना होगा. सो BOD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BOC प्लस एंगल COD. डोंट वरी, आई विल अपलोड द वीडियो सो यू कैन, अगर यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कनेक्टिविटी इशू हो रहा है, तो आप उस वीडियो को देख सकते हो ध्यान से. ठीक है, तो BOC, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेक्चर. तो BOD प्लस COD इज इक्वल टू BOD. ओके, यानी आपने BOD निकालने के लिए ब्लू और रेड एंगल को ऐड करना है. सो BOC इज 130 डिग्री. अभी हमने इसे पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट में फाइंड किया था यहाँ पर. और COD इज 25. सो 130 प्लस 25 is 155 degree. This is the answer for the third part. Okay, so the whole angle is 155. Next, let us do now the fourth part. In fourth part, reflex angle BOD. Okay, reflex angle BOD. So where is reflex angle BOD? Look at this. This is the, if we talk about this, this is not the reflex angle. Reflex angle is the opposite angle. This is reflex angle. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल BOD, ये है हमारा। तो ये कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? अगर हम BOD में से देखो टोटल जो सर्कल होता है, द होल सर्कल इज 360 डिग्री, ओके। सो इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड रिफ्लेक्स एंगल BOD, फाइंड करने के लिए टोटल एंगल में से यानी 360 में से माइनस कर दे एंगल BOD को, और एंगल BOD हमने थर्ड पार्ट में फाइंड किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, विच इज 155. So it is 360 minus 155. So what will be the answer if you subtract? 205. Okay, 205 is reflex angle BOD. Now question number 5, reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. Where is COE? So look at C. This is C, this is O, this is E. So इसका रिफ्लेक्स देखो, COE तो यहां से यहां तक है, लेकिन इसका रिफ्लेक्स इसका अपोजिट होगा, यानी यहां से यहां तक। तो अगर आप COE पहले फाइंड कर लो, and COE is 90 degree, COE is 90 degree, and reflex COE फाइंड करने के लिए 360 में से माइनस कर दोगे 90 को, so your answer will be 270 degrees. Okay, देखो, what you have to do if you have to find the reflex angle, जब भी reflex angle निकालना हो तो पहले जिसका reflex angle निकालना है पहले वो एंगल निकालो। जैसे BOD का reflex निकालना था तो पहले BOD हमने निकाल लिया, then BOD को 360 से माइनस कर दोगे। In the same way, if you want to find the reflex angle of COE, तो first find angle COE, then subtract COE from 360 डिग्री। देखो COE 90 डिग्री है, तो रिफ्लेक्स COE का निकालने के लिए 360 में से 90 को माइनस करोगे, you'll get 270 the reflex angle. So guys, this is all for today. Question number 7. This is the first part of this chapter. I will upload it today and share you the link of the video. Thank you everyone. The time is over. So I'll continue this chapter tomorrow and I will try to complete it tomorrow. Okay. I know this is Shreyan. Now this is Anirudh. कर लो आप स्क्रिबलिंग, यहाँ पे नेम लिख के आ रहा है।